In fast-paced kitchens, wasted steps, inconsistent temperatures, and poor workflow can slow productivity and reduce profits. Introducing Sizzle N Chill, the ultimate culinary companion for your commercial kitchen. The Sizzle N Chill will transform the way you work. It's efficient, reliable, and keeps your kitchen running smoothly, especially during peak hours. Pair an integrated cooktop with a remote or optional self-contained condensing unit. The self-contained systems are energy efficient and require no installation. Just plug it in. Fully insulated cabinets and drawers prevent temperature migration. Drawers hold 6-inch deep pans. Remote models have 2 full-size pans per drawer. Drawer dividers are included to accommodate various pan size configurations. It features an easy-to-read front-mounted thermometer, available with any combination of broilers, griddles, hot tops, and French tops. Oversized stainless steel drawer guides with heavy-duty double-skate rollers and stainless steel bearings can withstand 275 pounds. Available in 36-inch and 72-inch models. Imperial, where reliability meets performance and excellence is always on the menu. Visit us at imperialrange.com to learn more.